Hey, have you ever heard of fried corn? A lot of people don't have a clue what that is. Well, guys, I'm going to tell you what it is. It's fantastic. It is like cream corn on steroids, Southern style. Just say it. Okay. First of all, we take some corn, just fresh corn. It doesn't matter if it's white, if it's yellow, whatever that your favorite is, or whatever you find on sale, which is what I usually do. Okay. We're going to take the outside husks and as many of the silks off as what we can get. Okay. I have my pan. Now folks, you cut just on the edges of this corn. We're not cutting all the way down to the cob. You'll see why here in a few minutes. Okay, I'm just going to take the tops off, go all the way around the corn. Now guys, it is hard to get all the way down to the bottom whenever you're in a pan. See all this creamy stuff that's escaping after we cut the tops of the kernels off? Well, that's what's going to make this really good. I want to warn you, this is a messy dish to make because as you can see, I've already got corn and the milk from the corn, that's what my mama calls it, everywhere. Okay, now we've gone all around it. Might get a little closer on that one. Okay. Okay, so you see this oozing out, okay? We want to take our knife and scrape down through there. There's all the way around. I warned you it was a messy dish, guys. But oh, so worth the mess in the end. Okay. You get the gist of how to take the corn off the cob. I'm going to go ahead with these right here. Get the rest of that corn in this pan, and I'll show you that next step. Folks, I did tell you that this was messy to make. I've not wiped any of this up, so you see how much milk or cream from the corn splattered everywhere while I was scraping it into the pan. I just wanted to show you that, so make sure that you have an area where you don't care if it gets dirty whenever you're preparing this dish. So let me go ahead and clean this up, get the rest of my ingredients together, and we'll get some fried corn soon. Okay, I've got the area cleared up and I have the rest of my ingredients together. Now, I will give you guys the full instructions in the description box. But I have water, heavy whipping cream, butter. And guys, this is not Tostino's dip. This is bacon grease. Yes, I save bacon grease. I cook with it. I season with it. So, there you go. If you don't have bacon grease to add, just add extra butter. Okay, salt, pepper, flour, and sugar. Okay, I'm turning my corn, my skillet on medium. Okay. Putting my butter in there. Putting some bacon grease. Bacon grease makes it. Over here, I'm going to get my sugar. My flour. And guys, salt and pepper's to taste. So it just depends on how much you season your food. I don't use a huge amount of salt, so I don't add much. We use a lot more pepper than salt, but that is to your taste, as always on a recipe. A recipe is just a guideline, make it yours. And yes, we use a lot more pepper. Just going to mix this right here up and try to get the lumps out of the flour. I'm going to dump that in there. We're going to stir all this together. Have you guys ever had fried corn before? Have you ever heard of it? There's some people in my family, I'm not going to mention names, just in case that particular person is watching my video. They had never heard of fried corn. Now, that's been a staple in my family for years. But new people don't always know that. Okay, so I'm going to take my heavy whipping cream and my water. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rinse this right here out without water and get all the heavy whipping cream out. Just put the rest of it in there. And we're going to simmer this until it gets thick. Probably 15-20 minutes. It doesn't take that long. So I'll show it to you in just a few minutes. Okay, our fried corn is done. So I am going to enjoy this, guys. Just going to get me some of it. Now, folks, what I normally do with this is I have a big piece of cornbread, some sliced tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, sliced onion, sometimes some fried bacon, fried chicken, or sometimes just the corn, the cornbread, and the veggies. And that is a perfect meal or side dish. That is so good, guys. You have to give that a try. If you like corn and you've never had fried corn, that's a must. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on that next video.